Good people, let me be honest with you. A few years back, I launched a project I had poured my heart into. You know, I launched a lot of projects. But this one, I was all in. Months of planning, sleepless nights, sacrifices. I put everything on the line. My time, my finances, my name. And when it flopped, it didn't just, it didn't feel like I was just a failure. Like on the outside, I was smiling, saying all the right things. It's okay, I'll bounce back. Just a lesson. But inside, I was unraveling. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't a crying dude, but I had to let a few go. In the car, I stopped answering texts. For a brief stint, stop dreaming, stop believing. It happens. Because when failure hits that deep, it doesn't just leave a bruise, it cracks something on the inside, right? It's internal. But here's what I need you to hear. You're not broken. What you're feeling was the heaviness, the numbness, the sadness that you can't shake. That's grief. It's a unique grief, right? It's a grief of what could have been. It's a grief for the version of your life that never got to live. And grief is not weakness. What it is, it's proof that you cared. It's proof that you showed up. It's proof that your dream mattered. So let's be real. Mental health struggles after failure are real. Depression, anxiety, isolation. They creep in quietly, convincing you to suffer in silence. But silence isn't strength. Not at all. I'm going to encourage you. Talk to someone, right? Rest without guilt. Breathe without a deadline. Just be. Because this moment, it doesn't define you. It refines you. Let the pain process you. Let the lessons shape you. And when you are ready, my friends, rise. You're not alone. Full speed. Stay resilient. Do remember, it's all about you. Yeah.